tune. We need to quickly set up the contraceptive framework.
Let's go. We'll start working as soon as we get back.
The fishing hole should be restocked by now, right? It has been 2 days and 1 night already. We should be able to stock up now. You go clean out the pit, and I'll go fetch some water first. Then transport the money later. This spear gun is one we remade. Soon we'll take it to dive and try to bring up some big catches. Since the typhoon is coming soon, we must stock up on more food. So diving is the most convenient way for us to get food. Shortly after diving in, I found a scallop in the coral crevice and put it in my bag without hesitation, as it was also a sign of good luck. At this point, I swam through a patch of coral and began heading to the deeper water, as just some shellfish won't be enough for us. At this moment, Shaoli is frantically scooping water out of the pit we've worked on, making it much easier to get fish. There's something on top. Such a big coconut snail. At this moment, under the water, I finally caught my first fish. As I put my catch away and continued exploring, I unexpectedly startled a cuttlefish, which released thick black ink in an attempt to block my view. Brothers, such a big cuttlefish. Today's catch is especially abundant. 10.5 catties per catty. A big scallop and 2 sea snails. Oh wow, a cuttlefish. Let's go see what little Lee has found in the hole over there. What is it? What's that? There's something in the hole. Wow, so big. Come and see.
This is a bomb. Oh my!
There's embossed money here!
We can't even move him. Let's finish him with the spear gun. Beep.
Wish.
Brothers, look. Such a big fish. It must weigh over 10 pounds. Gosh. Finally got it up. Oh, brothers. This is really unexpected. In the pond where we used dragon's tooth bait, we found such a big fish. How many days will this feed us? I'll take it back.
Stock up, very good. Hey.
Brothers, we gathered quite a bit of food today because we trapped and harvested from the sea. This large puffed dried fish, we've cleaned it and put it on another fish board. As for the rest, we'll grill it.
Grill these 2 little fish as well.
Brothers, our food is all grilled. It's raining today too. Come on, let's eat.
Eat slowly. No one is competing with
It's
you.
too hot. Of course. Let me cool it down first. I'll try some grilled fish. The fish is very well cooked today. It's going to rain soon. Let's hurry and eat. All right.